Hi everyone. I just finished an incredible schedule. Just on Wednesday the 20th, I taught a lecture from 5:30 to 12:30. We thought there'll be 250 people, but as usual, when things are free, people register and don't come. So we had only 100 people. 70 of them were very interested in the lecture. And I was talking about the potential we have to improve our body and our eyes. You know, the body needs to do many things it didn't do so far. We need to strengthen our immune system. And there are exercises to do it. I've done it for 45 years, long before Corona was even in the picture. And you can strengthen your immune system. Otherwise, it fights you. It's the immune system that eventually kills people when they die from the virus itself. Well, also I was teaching how to connect between the nervous system and the muscles with imagery and specific exercises. And I was teaching in that sort of session the fact that we need to expand the activity of the muscles in the body. If you repeat the same movement again and again, and you don't expand anything, you basically are degenerating your nervous system. So real strength is becoming more muscular, which means that you can do more than you did before with your muscles, walk farther, lift an extra couple pounds of weight, able to do movements you did not do before. But then true systemic strength is exactly that. Being able to discover the movements you forgot your body has. Practice them and integrate between them and the movements you always had. And about the vision, I had a whole day of seminar. It was grueling for me because 9 to 12 in Germany is midnight to 3 in San Francisco. So you can imagine that I had to rest before and rest in between. The in-between was 3 to 6 I slept. And then after breakfast and shower, I had another long session from 7 to 11. And it was important for me to talk to the people who took my workshop and give them hope. How to overcome the cataract that grows. There is a way to do it. How to increase the activity of the central vision. We all lost our curiosity of what we're looking at. Because first of all, some things are very boring to look at. And second of all, some things are overwhelming. Too many cans in the supermarket. But can you say that there are too many leaves on a tree? And think about those who are very curious and they look the different shapes of those leaves. Now they're looking at details. Are there too many petals in a flower? Isn't it beautiful to look at those petals? So if we want to maintain the most important part of the retina, it is the center of the photoreceptors, which is only 1.5% of the total photoreceptor field in the retina. And if you learn to look at a small part of your field, while keeping alert to your periphery, you will prevent macular degeneration. And if you look at a distance, you'll prevent cataract. And if you wave your hands and work on your periphery, you prevent glaucoma. Think how many things you can prevent with few great exercises. Like if you put a paper over your nose that stretches from the forehead to the chin and throw a ball from hand to hand, you're opening up many more activities in your eyes where the brain cells connects to new parts of your visual system. My friends, there's a lot you can do with yourself. The people in Germany understood that. I want you to understand the same thing. Your potential is huge, and all you have to do is give up the whole concept of what you cannot do. So we have to improve the immune system. We have to improve the sensory system. We have to improve the kinesthetic system, where we feel what we need. Increase muscle activity, increase circulation. And all that can be done with exercises. Talk to you soon, Meir.